5 holocrons to go. What do you think, bud?
Eyes closed.
We're doing the eyes closed picker.
Alright. Oh.
Do you know which one you picked?
No.
Okay, good.
I tricked you. I didn't know. I looked at
We need Luke and Leia Grail and all Ultra Grails, but we have everything else. So we're in really good shape. Let's see. Go ahead.
I tricked you. I looked the whole time.
You little cheater.
The whole time.
I'm selling all your cubes.
No. I should have told you when we finish.
Come on. 2 Grails and an Ultra Grail. Another rare. All right. Man, we're just going to rip through these because we
unwrap them?
We could.
Yeah, we don't have one unwrapped, and we have like...
And we have a bunch. They're kind of buried.
Oh, no, we have...
Oh, yeah, look. 1, 2, 3.
But those are wrapped.
Yeah, do we have any open Vader 66s? No, Order 66. Yep, we do have an open Order 66. So, back to it. Let's go again. I'm not falling for those. I'm watching. There you go. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Nice thing about Mickey, the all new ones, right? We get to start all over again. No deuce. Come on. 2 Grails or Ultra Grail. 2 Grails or Ultra Frozen Grail. Common Leia. Man. Yep, that's the downside. When you have so many, you already have all right here.
It's good when you have a lot, but it's also bad when you have a lot because you can't get new ones.
Yeah, it gets hard to get those new ones for sure. All right, what do we have? We have 3 to go, so we'll be back with the last few.